Koenigsegg does not outsource perfection. Inside its factory, raw carbon fiber is laid by hand, layer after layer, measured to the millimeter. Each mold is prepared slowly because strength is engineered, not assumed. The carbon tubs are cured under controlled conditions, never rushed, never compromised. Parts that other brands purchase from suppliers are machined here from solid metal, shaped precisely for a single purpose. Nothing is decorative, nothing is unnecessary. Every surface exists because physics demands it. Even the smallest bracket is designed to survive extreme forces at extreme speed. Watching this process feels unreal because it breaks everything you expect from car manufacturing. This is not a production line driven by output targets. It is controlled obsession, repeated again and again until flaws have nowhere left to hide. No automation replaces human judgment here. Only patience, precision, silence, discipline, mastery, and relentless focus on perfection. Koenigsegg's approach to power begins with one belief: control matters more than numbers. Instead of adapting existing engines, Koenigsegg designs its own powertrains from scratch, engineered to respond instantly, predictably, and brutally. Every component is optimized for weight, heat management, and mechanical efficiency. The result is not just horsepower, but usable force delivered without hesitation. Their engines breathe differently, rev differently, and behave differently because nothing about them follows convention. The gearbox is where this philosophy becomes radical. Traditional transmissions introduce delay, complexity, and loss. Koenigsegg replaced them with systems that eliminate interruption entirely. Power never pauses, acceleration never breaks. The car pulls continuously, violently, yet with precision that feels unreal. This is engineering that refuses compromise, even when compromise would be easier. Cooling systems are oversized, airflow is sculpted, and internal tolerances are tightened far beyond industry norms. Every explosion inside the cylinders is controlled, measured, and repeated thousands of times per minute without chaos. This level of power would destroy ordinary machines. Koenigsegg builds machines that expect it. What shocks most is how calm it all feels. No drama, no instability, just relentless forward motion. This is not about chasing speed records for headlines. It is about building power that can be trusted completely. When Koenigsegg accelerates, nothing feels stressed. Everything feels intentional. At peak output, these cars do not feel like engines pushing wheels. They feel like systems perfectly aligned toward one goal: forward motion without resistance. Power here is not loud. It is confident, controlled, and absolute. This is why drivers describe Koenigsegg acceleration as addictive rather than frightening. The faster it goes, the more composed it becomes, rewarding trust instead of punishing it. Every decision exists to serve control, durability, balance, and repeatability at speeds where mistakes are unforgiving and physics shows no mercy. Beyond limits, dominance remains constant, even under unimaginable acceleration forces conditions.
Behind every Koenigsegg hypercar is a small team of people who refuse to treat engineering as routine. This is not an assembly line filled with anonymous hands. These are specialists who know every component by memory because they helped design it. Carbon fiber is trimmed, aligned, and inspected by individuals who understand what failure would mean at 300 kilometers per hour. Bolts are torqued by feel as much as by numbers. Gaps are checked, rechecked, then checked again. Engineers work side by side with technicians, solving problems in real time, not passing them down a chain of departments. If something feels wrong, production stops, not tomorrow, immediately. Pride here is personal. Each car carries the reputation of the people who touched it. Late nights are common. Silence fills the workshop, broken only by tools and quiet conversation. There is no rush, no pressure to meet volume targets, only the expectation that nothing leaves the facility unless it meets an internal standard few outsiders ever see. This human obsession is what transforms extreme engineering into something emotional. These cars are not built to impress crowds, they're built to satisfy the people who create them. That is why every Koenigsegg feels deliberate, focused, and alive, shaped as much by human judgment as by mathematics.
Before any Koenigsegg is delivered, it is tested beyond what most manufacturers would consider necessary. Systems are stressed repeatedly, not to confirm performance, but to expose weakness. Powertrains are run under extreme load, temperatures are monitored, and data is analyzed until behavior becomes predictable. Software is calibrated again and again to ensure response remains smooth, even at the limit. Road testing is not a formality here. It is a deliberate search for problems that should not exist. Engineers listen for vibration, hesitation, imbalance, anything that suggests imperfection. If something feels even slightly off, the car returns to the workshop without discussion. Each vehicle is validated as an individual machine, not a production sample. This process consumes time, but time is part of the philosophy. Koenigsegg does not depend on future updates to correct mistakes that should have been solved earlier. Only when every system performs flawlessly, repeatedly, does the car move forward. This discipline explains why Koenigseggs are trusted at speeds where failure is unacceptable. Perfection is not promised here. It is measured, proven, and earned through discipline and precision. Koenigsegg is not built to impress crowds. It is built for those who understand control, precision, and intent. In an industry chasing louder numbers and instant attention, Koenigsegg chooses restraint, balance, and quiet confidence. This is luxury without noise, where engineering is complete, deliberate, and refined. When nothing needs proving anymore, true performance speaks softly, confidently, and forever. Designed for those who recognize mastery long after speed becomes irrelevant itself.